Today I want to show you some of the popular configurators that are online, that are working, the customers like it, and what they are doing great, what I would improve, and what I would select specifically and put in a configurator, especially in a 3D configurators where today attention is very low and customers bounce between a website and another. So to look the best solution for them and the best experience today, because it's not just about the product that you sell, but it's also about the total experience that you give them and how you make them feel. So today we're going to analyze Nike product configurator, Porsche product configurator, and Polaris product configurators. So I have those three: Nike, Porsche, and Polaris, and let's start. So first of all, let's start with Nike. So Nike product configurator is the most popular in this industry, and the things that I like, that they have all their shoes that you can customize, and you can choose between the pair of shoes that you want and start to customize. So for example, I like Nike Air Force One, and they show you the usual product page. It do not open the configurator yet, and that's a great thing because it will not slow down your product page. They help you selecting the size, the gender, and then if you want to customize. So first of all, let's start and let's click customize. It will open a model, and we can see the model, we can rotate. The things here, there is no tutorial, and for non-tech savvy users, well, that's not the best. So we miss a tutorial. I mean, you can understand obviously that is a 3D, but I don't know if I can rotate it or not. But it's very cool, it's smooth, and you have everything here. So second thing that I like is that everything is made like step by step. You can only do colors. So for example, I can select the colors of the shoes how I want, step by step basically, until to arrive at the end where I can select the text or the logo that I want. So if I select this text for both shoes, for example, I will put 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see I have the personalized text here. It's nice, it's cool, I will confirm it. And then, you can even click the part of the shoes and it will bring you to the step. That's cool, it's something actually amazing, but that's not that much intuitive. I would add some tooltip here so user can click and understand that they can actually go and will be directed on the step. Of course, this is a more difficult flow and will make the configurator bloated. It's not actually a feature that you would actually need, but it's very cool to directly, maybe I'm at the step 9, I want to edit the laces, okay, and it will bring me directly to the laces. That's cool, I can reduce to focus on the model. And then simply I have here the menu button with all the choice that I made. This cool. One thing that I will improve, because here there is a done button. So if I click the done button, it will save the shoes and it will show me in the gallery. Basically all that I built, it will rebuild the gallery for me with the selection that I made, which is cool. I don't know why they made this choice, but if it was for me, I would directly put, first of all, the price here, it's missing. So I don't know, actually the price is here in these shoes, but as I remember, not all the shoes have it, but it's hidden. Basically, I will, as you saw, I didn't look on the left corner, the price was completely hidden. And I would add a add cart button to incentivize the user to go on and purchase the shoes instead of make me do one more click for nothing. They could even put the size and selecting the genders in the configurator. So also when you load the page, I have like 24-inch screen, and the customize button would be here instead of being on image, especially white background on white, so it's not visible. So this is the first analysis of the Nike configurator. Hey, quick heads up, and if you want to help with 3D configurators and building your own custom configurator, click the link below and I will help you to build your own custom configurator tailored for your need and your products. Second configurator that I want to see, it's the Porsche configurator. It's like very nice. Also here you have all the models that you can choose from. So if I click on the 911 model, the Carrera models, you still can filter, and then after you filter and choose whatever model you want to personalize. So in this case, we can put the cabriolet. I'm going to configure the model, and as you can see, they chose another type. So they basically start with 2D images, and you can start to configure with the 2D images. So if I click black, it actually will show me the car in black, but I can even go 3D. So once I click the 360 views, it will go in 3D and the view will start to rotate. It's very cool, and it's not that smooth because I suppose it's a car configurator, the scene is very bloated, it's like heavy, there are a lot of details, but I like. And as you can see, Porsche put some tooltips for the interaction, and it will give you some animation. But yeah, that's very cool because it gives you also the environment, and here we can open the top. That's very nice. The only thing here that, as you can see, you have all the configuration that you can do. You can scroll till the bottom, add stuff, for example. So let's see, add to selection. I should be able to view what I did here. It's very cool because it's very detailed model, and you can even add, let's see, if I add the sport chrono pack, it should change here. Yeah, and it actually changed it. It's very cool. The only thing that I don't like is one thing is like I cannot actually see the price here. Where is the price? Like, okay, why I'm changing the stuff, but is the pricing changing? Like, what's happening? I don't know. I cannot understand. Second thing, the steps, because you can go and scroll down, but this is not the smoothest experience for a configurator, because you see here you have a lot of options, and it would be best if it would bring me step by step on what I'm configuring. And so when I click, for example, exterior colors, okay, it will bring me to the exterior to see the colors actually. Or if I'm going to the wheels and opening this as a step, it will bring me at the wheels view so that I can see the wheels directly and what I'm changing. So these are the two things, but the configuration is so amazing, the one of Porsche. And then you have, of course, the summary, but yeah, it's like, even like there is no price, of course. Like, this is, I think, is more done to make the user go in a salon for like and reach out to Porsche directly, because of course it's an expensive car, but still I think it's missing a CTA, so also, you know, a quote button, a call button. It would be useful, and I believe it would increase their conversions. And this is the second configurator. Third configurator that I want to show you is the Polaris configurator. Now here I am already on the page, but as per Nike and Porsche, also they make you choose their model, what you want to personalize first, and also in the configurator. So once you chose the macro category, they make you choose the model of this category. And for example, I want the Ranger. I really like these configurators, and because as you can see, first of all, you can see all the steps here, and so you have a preview of what's going on and what you can edit. So the road, the models that now we are on, the trim, the colors, and the accessories. So in this case, I select models. I can select this model here. It's telling me the price, so starting in 999. I'm going to select the models, and it's loading the 3D experiences. And yes, here you can choose the color and then accessories, but other models you have maybe more step or less. It's very smooth, the experience. As you can see, I'm moving and like, it's fantastic. And the other things that I like is the price. I see the price here and how much it would cost me per month. And it's clear. After I select the color, for example, I say stealth gray, it's reloading the model. It's actually very fast doing that. And I can click the next button. So very clear CTA. Then on the steps, I have all the other category that I can add. So for example, cab system, I have the roof. I can add the roof here and it will change. I can add the full front window and it will change. And the cool things is that every time that it changes and you make a selection, it rotates the camera so you can actually see what you are changing. Plus, that's very important for a car that it wasn't here for the Porsche configurator, is that you can go in the interior and see actually the interior. So if you want to change something in the interior part, well, for sure you will like, you can see, you know. And I have the sun visor, for examples, that I can add, and you see, you will see like from the interior and out, it would look. That's the better experience. And of course, after you configured everything, you can get local price. So it's saving what you built, and then real clear CTA, give your name, your last name, and someone will contact you for sure. So I really cannot complain about Polaris configurators. It's very done a great, amazing job, because it's very easy also to use and to configure your Polaris, your off-road. So this is the analysis of the three configurators, and I hope you can apply what you see here. So the step-by-step, the CTA, the very fast loading 3D models, these are very optimized, and you know, the price, the clear CTA, I think I already said so, and then you know, put everything in a web page that is very fast to load. But you know, it also depends on your product and what you need for this type of experience. Now, if you want a configurator and you want to help in building a 3D configurators, click the link below, and I'll be happy to assist you in building your own custom configurator.